To get started, create a file ending in .html. Then at the top, add exclamation mark, doc type HTML, and wrap everything in the HTML tag. Inside the head, add metadata, and in the body, put the visible content. HTML uses tags to structure content. For example, H1 creates a large heading, P makes a paragraph, and A creates a link. To add images, use IMG, while lists can be created with UL for unordered lists or OL for ordered lists. HTML alone looks plain, so CSS is used for styling. You can create a separate CSS file or use the style tag in the head. CSS allows styling and layout control with selectors and properties like margin, padding, display, and flexbox. To connect your CSS file to HTML, link it inside the head. After writing your code, open the HTML file in a browser. Thanks for watching and follow for more.